Jesse, this is going to be awesome. This is going to be great. We're going to do some magic. Jesse, do you like rope magic? Bummer, we're doing a card trick. Not the Jesse show. All right. Don't look over here, Jesse. This is how I know how you did that land. Look! Jesse! This is a box! This is how you get it from the playing card company before it's printed. But if I really could do magic, maybe I could print it like this. Neat? Not so, but like this. Ooh! And look, if you fold it up, it actually looks like a card box. But then if you listen, no, save it. Save it. I have a weak finish. Save it. All right, here we go. Jesse, are you familiar with the pack of cards? Sorry. All right. Ooh. Ooh. Huh? Yeah. All right. Hands out of your pocket. I'll do the entertainment. All right. No, it's okay. You can laugh. The kids don't get it. All right. And if they do, it's not my fault. All right. It's just a trick, though. Don't go home tonight. I thought it was special. It's not that. All right. Jesse, you're going to pick a card up. This is typically how a card trick works. He picks a card up, then I do something about something. He's going to have any selection of any one of these cards that he wants. I'll just select few, push, go, any card you want, but it's important. Don't let me influence your decision. Fair enough? Jesse, choose a card. You're such a nice guy. You know that. All right. Here we go. We'll do it this way. Take out a card. I'll tell you what it is. What? Have you seen this? Come on. All right. We'll try it the other way, but the trick doesn't always work. Take any card out you want. No, not that one. You want to change your mind? Happy with the mind you have. Good. Do you want a different card? No. Do you have a felt tip marker? No. I do. Look, it's a little Chinese dog. A Sharpay? All right, Mama, too. All right. Woo! All right, Jesse, come stand over here so you're just right over the trap door. Perfect. Now. Look at this, Jesse. Some people think that's a trick, but it's not. Don't do that at home, little girl. All right. Go over to Grandma's house. What? You can go crazy at Grandma's house. Sounds crazy, right? Mm-hmm. Oh, it's just a trick. No, don't. It's this. I just carry a fake tongue with me wherever I go. Ladies. Alright. Look, okay. Alright. Take the marker. But be careful. It's a Sharpie. Good. Ladies and gentlemen, think about this. Jesse, what I want you to do is actually put your name on the face of that card, nice, big, and bold. If it's a low number card, or what we call a spot card, you can sign it across the whole thing. If it's a court card, a number, a face card, or what we call a letter card, there's typically more room at the top to write your name. Have you put your name on it? Good. Underneath your name, put your debit card number. Everybody think about this. If I had an object in front of everybody's face right here, and I made that object vanish completely and make it appear in a totally different place, everybody would go, whoa, 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 whoa. He has a duplicate of that object. He has a twin, if you will. But if Jesse puts his name on it, that now becomes the only card in the entire world that looks like this. So I can't possibly have a duplicate. Can I have the marker back? That's how I got it. Let's recap. Jesse, have we ever met before? No! So nothing was pre-arranged and pre-set up, correct? Good. At this point in time, if you could show everybody your card. A little higher? Perfect. It's okay, Jesse, I've already seen this trick. Alright. Jesse, as I dribble, hold it with the face towards you against your chest, that way I can't see it. Perfect. As I dribble the cards from my right hand into my left hand, whenever you want, you're just going to say the word stop. Before I run out of cards, Jesse. Fighter. Alright, you gotta be quick. You ready? Alright, here we go. I didn't start yet. Yeah. Have you ever helped a magician? No? That's funny, you're not helping one now either. Alright, here we go. Good, right here. Put it back. Oh, face down. Make it hard for me. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, everybody else. What I'm about to do now is something so peculiar, so weird, so odd, so gross. You'll never forget this. This will be ingrained into your subconscious for as long as you shall live. I, imagine, will attempt to cut, mix, and shuffle this pack of cards completely. And then at that point in time, I will stick the whole pack of cards in my mouth. And while the cards are in my mouth, I will find Jesse's card. Can I get a ew, ah? Huh? You ready, Jesse? Okay. Are you having a good time? Don't forget to tell your face. Alright, here we go. Gotta be right over the bubble gum. Alright, here we go. Oh, yeah, I even brought some music. Check this out. Magic by Apple. Alright. Cut, mix, shuffle. Ah! Check this out! Look! It looks like I'm moving, Jesse, but I'm not. It's magic. Okay, shoot back. Shoot, huh? Fancy, right? Okay. Left hand. No, anything? Nothing? This is important, by the way. Jesse, remember what your card was? Okay, watch. Hold back card and look. Ladies and gentlemen, if he opens up that card and it has his signature on it, you guys better go nuts. Oh, yeah!